Migrating your website to WordPress is a smart move if you want to take advantage of its flexibility, ease of use, and wide range of features. However, one of the main concerns for many website owners is the potential downtime during the migration process. Downtime can lead to lost revenue, decreased user satisfaction, and damage to your brand's reputation. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to migrate your website to WordPress without any downtime. Prepare for the migration. Before you begin the migration process, it's essential to prepare adequately. Start by creating a comprehensive plan that outlines each step of the migration process. This plan should include a backup of your existing website, a list of the WordPress themes and plugins you will use, and a timeline for the migration. Backup your website. The first step is to back up your current website. This backup should include all files, databases, images, and content. You can use a backup plugin or service for this purpose. Having a backup ensures that you can restore your website to its original state if anything goes wrong during the migration process. Choose a hosting provider. Make sure you have a reliable hosting provider that supports WordPress. Some hosting providers offer specialized WordPress hosting with features such as one-click installs, enhanced security, and automated backups. Set up a temporary WordPress environment. To avoid downtime, set up a temporary WordPress environment on a subdomain or a local server. This environment allows you to build and test your new WordPress site without affecting your live site. Create a subdomain or use local development tools. A subdomain, e.g. staging.yourdomain.com, can be used for development and testing. Alternatively, you can use local development tools like XAMPP, MAMP, or Local by Flywheel to set up WordPress on your computer. Install WordPress. Install the latest version of WordPress on your temporary environment. Most hosting providers offer a one-click installation option, making this step straightforward. Import your content and design. Now that your temporary WordPress environment is ready, it's time to start importing your content and designing your new website. Export content from the old site. If you're moving from another content management system (CMS) or a static site, you'll need to export your content. Most CMS platforms have built-in export tools to make this process easier. Import content to WordPress. Use the WordPress importer tool to upload your content to your new WordPress site. This includes posts, pages, images, and other media files. Ensure that all your content is transferred correctly by checking each page and post. Choose and customize a theme. Select a WordPress theme that matches the design of your old website or choose a new look altogether. Customize the theme settings to ensure consistency in branding and user experience. Install necessary plugins. Install essential plugins needed for your website's functionality. This may include SEO plugins, contact forms, caching plugins, and security plugins. Make sure to configure each plugin properly. Test the new WordPress site. Once you have imported all your content and customized your design, it's time to test your new WordPress site thoroughly. Check for broken links and errors. Use tools like Screaming Frog or Broken Link Checker to scan your website for broken links and fix any errors. Test functionality. Ensure that all forms, shopping carts, login areas, and other interactive elements function correctly. Test your website's responsiveness on different devices and browsers. Optimize for performance. Use tools like Google PageSpeed Insights or GTmetrix to check your website's performance. Optimize images, minify CSS and JavaScript files, and enable caching to improve load times. Prepare for the final migration. Once you are satisfied with the new WordPress site and have tested everything thoroughly, you are ready to move the site from the temporary environment to your live server. Back up the temporary WordPress site. Before the final migration, take a full backup of your new WordPress site in its temporary environment. This ensures that you have a copy of the new site in case anything goes wrong during the final migration. Update DNS settings. Update your domain's DNS settings to point to the new WordPress site. This process may take some time due to DNS propagation, but it will not cause any downtime for your users as long as your old site remains live during this period. Launch your WordPress website. After updating your DNS settings and confirming that the propagation is complete, it's time to launch your new WordPress site.